Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Place. I am glad you're back with me today for another video. Today I'm going to be doing a video about MCA because I have gotten a lot of comments below, or people just emailing me asking me, do I still do MCA? Am I satisfied with MCA? And just a lot of questions. So I wanted to make this video to let you know I still do MCA. I'm still very pleased with MCA. I'm going to be doing offline marketing today. I know some people are kind of confused about offline and online marketing for MCA. So I used to have flyers that I made myself on the computer with, was it Word? And they came out really good. They were nice and they looked professional, everything, but they were on regular paper. And it cost a lot of money, to get your cardstock yourself and, make them up yourself. On thicker cardstock. So I got these done professionally and I love them. And there they are. This is thicker cardstock and it has a gloss over it. That way when I give them to people, if I put them on people's cars, it could be raining, snowing, or what have you, they don't get wet, they don't get messed up. It's easy for someone to stick in their purse or in their dash or wherever they want to store it and not get crumpled and messed up or anything. See? So I love these flyers. It has unlimited roadside assistance there at the top. Then it has my 1-800 number. And then it has my website. And that's my professional website for the benefits. And then on the back, it has all the MCA benefits. That way you don't have to do a lot of talking. You could be a shy person. A lot of people are concerned when coming into MCA. I can't talk to people, they'll say. I'm not a good salesperson. How am I going to do this? Blah, blah, blah. I had the same concerns. But trust me, you do get used to selling. It's not hard. But if you're one that's shy or you just can't hold a conversation that well, so as you think, we do have these offline marketing flyers, which gives you everything here. That way you don't have to say too much of anything. Now, mine does have the number. Most MCA associates, when they get flyers, they have their number on there. If the person wants to call you after they get the flyer just to go over anything, everything is on here, but sometimes people still do call. A lot of times they just want to know that it's a valid person and a valid company as well. So that's why these flyers are good. So you have your number on there and you're just answering a few simple questions. Make sure that you know your MCA business, so you'll be able to answer any of the questions that people may have. And other than that, that's about it. I'm going to be doing offline marketing today. As I said, this training is free for everybody that signs up under me, the online and the offline training. It's free for the associates that sign up under me. And if you do not or did not sign up under me, you may be an associate that, didn't have too good of a sponsor. And you still need tips and different things like that. Contact me and I'll let you know how I can get some information to you. If you're not on my team, I can still let you know where I got these from, the printing place I got them from, and where to take these flyers to in order to get sales. All right, so look down below, and my email's down there, my Facebook business page, and everything is down below. I would love to help you. I would love if you would sign up under me. I'd love to have you on my team, Team Dream Life. And I will see you guys next time. And subscribe to my channel. That way you get more updates about MCA or other things that are on my channel. But you hit that little notification bell, and that way every time I make a video you'll see, and that way you can click right away and don't have to worry about missing anything. All right guys, I'll see you next time right back here on Tracy's Place. Be blessed.